A study published by Canadian researchers suggests that warm pasta can be your guilt-free, go-to meal in the weight loss regime. Many people who opt for a low glycemic index diet and avoid carbo-loaded pasta lose weight. Although many people believe that carbohydrates help them gain weight, studies show that eating the right carbs can help you lose weight. Researchers found that pasta does not contribute to weight gain or increase body fat and may reduce weight and BMI when consumed in low GI diets. After eating pasta at restaurants, you might want to start making your own at home, as restaurant pasta often has excess salt and fatty sauces. Canadian researchers studied the effects of eating pasta as part of a low glycemic index diet and found that eating pasta didn't cause weight gain. Low-carb diets like the Whole30 and keto diet are popular, but new research suggests pasta is safe. Researchers at St. Michael's Hospital published a study looking at 30 randomized controlled trials. Pasta has a low glycemic index but may cause small blood sugar increases. Scientists say that pasta does not affect adiposity, and weight loss is possible when pasta is eaten as part of a low GI diet. The National Pasta Association recommends 2 ounces of pasta for each person per day, and we consume 9 ounces of pasta per person every day. Because eating pasta can fit into a balanced diet, you can maintain a trim figure. You can lower your blood sugar after a starchy meal like pasta by eating more veggies. Plus, a tablespoon of salad dressing helps you absorb cancer-fighting and heart-healthy nutrients like lycopene and beta-carotene. Most Americans consume 20 pounds of pasta each year. Most of it is refined white pasta, low in fiber and protein. To increase fiber and protein, switch to a bean-based noodle or whole grain pasta. Despite it being a low glycemic index food, pasta is still high in carbs and calories. Replace it with low-carb veggies and cut the carbs and calories. Cool pasta down in the fridge to help reduce your glycemic response. The resistant starch also helps with fat oxidation. In addition to salad on pasta night, you might want to consider adding some vegetables to your pasta dish. Adding some vegetables to your pasta meal can help keep you feeling satisfied while taking in fewer calories. When cooking pasta, sprinkle the cheese on top after the pasta is on your plate. This way, you'll get a bit of cheese in every bite and minimize the number of invisible cheese calories you eat. We love our indulgent spaghetti carbonara and meat sauce, but the meat sauce will help you lose weight. You can cut calories and fat without changing the taste by using lean ground beef and rinsing the meat before adding any sauces and seasonings. Italians make pasta an important course but not the main event of their meal, but make sure to pair it with fiber, healthy fats, and protein instead to lose weight. Arrabbiata sauce, which is made with red chili peppers, can help you lose weight. It has a spicy, appetite-suppressing compound called capsaicin. It boosts thermogenesis, making you burn more fat and calories. A new meta-analysis suggests that pasta is not as bad for weight loss as many people think. Researchers found that people who ate pasta instead of other carbohydrates lost weight on a low glycemic index diet. Pasta does not affect body weight outcomes when consumed in a healthy dietary pattern. Add vegetables to your pasta dishes, such as zucchini, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, peppers, tomatoes, and onions. You'll likely feel satisfied while taking in fewer calories. Pasta is a nutritious food, as long as you don't stuff it with meat, cheese, or Alfredo sauce, and keep your portion size in check. If you're trying to lose weight, you should eat 1 to 1.5 cups of cooked pasta. It cannot be easy to know how much pasta to cook as the serving size is the dry weight. To help you feel satisfied, top your pasta with tomato sauce low in calories, fat, and sodium. Add plenty of vegetables and protein to your sauce as well. Use olive oil, sun-dried tomatoes, pesto, a thin sauce instead of Alfredo sauce, or alter Alfredo sauce to make it lighter. You can also share pasta with a friend or order a salad at a restaurant to reduce how much pasta you eat.